We've all been there, right? Wrestling with software that's almost perfect for our business.
Yeah.
It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole.
Hmm.
It's frustrating. So today we're diving into a world where the software fits you perfectly.
Okay.
Custom software development.
Right.
We'll explore what it is, when it makes sense, and how it can be that game-changing solution.
I find it fascinating how many businesses just try to deal with the limitations of off-the-shelf software
Oh, absolutely.
instead of thinking, hey, maybe there's a solution that's actually built for what we need.
It's so true. We squeeze ourselves into these pre-built boxes
Yeah.
instead of building something that actually fits. So let's unpack this idea of custom software.
In the simplest terms, custom software is designed and developed specifically for you. It addresses your unique processes, your pain points, your goals.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, building a house from scratch versus trying to make a pre-existing one work.
The dream house analogy.
Exactly.
I love that. You get to design every detail to match your lifestyle, your needs, like your aesthetic even.
Exactly. And just like that dream house, custom software offers some really incredible benefits.
Okay.
One of the biggest ones is enhanced efficiency. Imagine a tool that automates those tedious, repetitive tasks,
Yes.
the ones that bog your team down.
Oh, tell me more. I'm picturing myself liberated from these soul-crushing spreadsheets.
That's the beauty of it. Streamline workflows, eliminate manual data entry, free up your team so they can focus on those higher value tasks.
It's like magic. But instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, we're pulling, I don't know, like increased productivity.
Absolutely.
Maybe even some newfound sanity out of our workday.
And that's just scratching the surface. Another major advantage of custom software is its ability to give you a competitive edge.
Okay, now we're talking. In today's world, who doesn't want an edge?
Imagine this. Your software not only streamlines those internal processes,
Right.
but it also offers unique features, functionalities that your competitors simply can't replicate.
Wow.
This could be anything from a customer portal tailored to your specific audience
Okay.
to, say, an analytics dashboard, one that's providing insights to inform your strategic decisions.
That's huge. It's like having a secret weapon, like a technological advantage that
Extreme.
sets you apart.
And here's another really important point, scalability.
Okay.
So your business grows,
Okay.
evolves. Your software needs to be able to keep up.
Right.
Custom software is built to be flexible, adaptable.
So no more hitting those growth ceilings
Exactly.
where your software is like, nope, sorry, this is it.
Yeah, no more of that. It's like having a house with expandable walls or something.
I love that.
Speaking of seamless transitions, custom software is great with integrations.
Okay, explain that to me like I'm 5. Integrations. It's like what?
It can sound very, very intimidating,
Yeah.
but think of it this way.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of your software systems operating in isolation,
Right, like little islands.
yeah, like disconnected islands, integration allows them to communicate, share data seamlessly.
Ah, so it's like building bridges between those islands. So it all works together smoothly.
Your customer relationship management system, your inventory management system, your accounting software, they can all talk to each other. Automate that data flow. You reduce those manual errors.
Music to my ears. No more wrestling spreadsheets.
Exactly.
Okay, this is all sounding incredible, but let's be real.
Yeah.
Custom software development probably sounds pretty daunting to some people.
Sure,
Like,
yeah.
where do you even begin?
It's a journey, I'm not going to lie.
Right.
But breaking it down into these manageable stages makes it way less intimidating.
Okay, walk us through it. What are those key milestones?
It typically starts with really defining your vision and your objectives.
Okay.
What are those core problems you're trying to solve? What are you hoping to achieve?
So it's like laying the foundation.
Exactly.
Making sure we're building on solid ground.
Yeah. And once you have that clear vision, you move on to designing the user interface.
Okay.
The UI and the UX, user experience.
The fun part, making it look good, making it feel good.
Exactly. Then comes the development phase.
Uh-huh.
That's where the coding magic happens. That's where we bring your vision to life.
I'm already picturing like lines of code magically appearing on the screen.
Right. And of course, throughout this whole process, testing.
Of course.
We want to make sure that it not only meets your specifications, but that it functions flawlessly.
So quality control.
Yeah.
At every stage of construction.
Exactly.
Making sure we're building something that's, robust,
Right.
reliable.
Yes.
What happens once the software is built?
That's where we deploy. That's the grand unveiling.
Yeah.
where you get to introduce this amazing piece of software to your team.
I bet that's exciting.
It is. It's very rewarding. But it doesn't end there.
Right.
Ongoing maintenance, support, that's all crucial as well
Okay.
to make sure your software remains secure,
Right.
up to date, and that it continues to meet those evolving needs.
Okay, so it's not a set it and forget it. It's like a long-term partnership.
That's a really good way to put it.
Yeah.
And speaking of partnerships, this is where choosing the right development partner can make all the difference.
It's like, finding the right contractor to build your dream house.
Exactly. You want someone with a really solid track record.
Yeah.
Someone who gets your vision,
Right.
and who can really hold your hand and guide you through that whole process.
Right. Someone you can trust.
Like Atiba, for example. They've been in the custom software development game since 1992.
Wow.
They've seen it all. They really know how to navigate the complexities of this world.
Experience really matters.
Yeah.
It's reassuring to know there are people out there who can actually, make these software dreams a reality.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's address the elephant in the room. Cost.
Right, because it's a factor.
It is.
So
We can't pretend it's not.
custom software is an investment. Right. So you have to weigh that upfront cost against the long-term value, against the potential ROI.
Okay.
Think of it this way. Would you rather rent an apartment that's, good enough?
Right.
Or would you rather invest in building your dream home?
Okay.
Off-the-shelf software. That's like renting. It gets the job done, but it's not truly yours.
And you're constantly paying for something that doesn't quite fit.
Whereas custom software is building that dream home. It's an investment up front,
Yeah.
but you end up with something that's perfect for you. And it has the potential to, appreciate in value over time.
Exactly. Plus, you're avoiding those hidden costs of trying to force an off-the-shelf solution to work, right?
Oh, I see, yeah.
All those workarounds, the integration headaches, the constant upgrades.
So it's less about the sticker price and more about the vision, that potential for growth, the freedom.
But you're getting it.
Yeah.
And let's not forget about the transformative power of this stuff.
Mhm.
Especially in today's world, everything's changing so fast.
Right. Digital transformation, it's like a buzzword, but custom software seems like, I don't know, it's like the key to actually riding that wave.
It's about using technology to get ahead, to create those innovative solutions that weren't possible before.
For our listener who's maybe feeling a little overwhelmed, what's the one thing they should take away from all of this?
Custom software. It's not just about code. It's about creating something as unique as your business.
I like that.
It's about empowering you to achieve your goals and thrive.
It's about taking control
Exactly.
of your technological destiny.
So as you're thinking about all this, just ask yourself, what could my business achieve if technology wasn't a limitation, but like a springboard?
What a great question to consider. And if you are ready to explore those possibilities, remember, there are experts like Atiba who can help. Until next time, keep diving deep. And remember, if the software doesn't fit,
Customize it.
that's right.